Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome redefines luxury touring with cutting-edge German engineering and a hotel-like decor. This RV redefines comfortable, stylish travel for sophisticated, tech-savvy tourists. Exterior design and performance. Modern elegance defines the 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome's exterior. The aerodynamic body has clean lines, a sculpted front fascia, and an illuminated three-pointed star insignia indicating its heritage. Landscape vistas are enhanced by big panoramic windows and adaptive LED digital light headlights. The 48-volt mild hybrid system and high-torque 3.0-liter inline-six turbo diesel engine provide efficiency and fast responsiveness. Available plug-in hybrids provide limited all-electric mobility for zero-emission city access. The 9G Tronic automatic transmission provides smooth acceleration, and the Airmatic air suspension provides a luxurious ride on any route. Interior design and details. Inside the motorhome, you'll find elegant materials and clever design. The open living room has hand-finished Napa leather, natural walnut wood, and polished aluminum elements. You can create any mood with 64-color ambient LED lights. A huge lounge area has power-adjustable seating that converts into a queen-size bed, a retractable entertainment console with a 55-inch UHD display, and Burmester 3D surround sound. Kitchen, that's for dining. The gourmet kitchen has a flush-mounted induction stove, combining microwave and convection oven, smart full-size refrigerator with freezer, beautiful glass cabinets with lighting sink with pull-out sprayer and stainless steel. The nearby dining nook has an extended table and 4 upholstered benches, bathroom, private suite, a rainfall shower with frameless glass doors, a backlit anti-fog mirror, heated tile floors, and quality brushed steel fittings make the bathroom feel like a spa. A private sleeping suite with a memory foam king-size bed, reading lamps, and large closets. Tech and connectivity. The next-generation MBUX Mercedes-Benz user experience in this Mercedes-Benz motorhome includes 2 12.8-inch OLED screens, a natural language voice assistant navigation using satellite pictures in real-time remote lighting, temperature and appliance control with smart home integration, fast Wi-Fi and 5G connectivity driver. Aid Safety advanced driver aid technologies simplify long-distance travel. Distronic adaptive cruise control, assistive steering, steering evasion 360-degree, 3D camera, auto parking pilot, stabilizing crosswind, efficiency and sustainability, regenerative braking, and a hybrid powertrain decrease pollutants and fuel consumption, while roof-mounted solar panels power interior systems. Summary: the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome epitomizes luxury mobility with its unmatched performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. Its elegance, practicality, and peaceful comfort make it ideal for driving Europe's main highways or lonely coastal paths.